Hello traders, the title of the video is Step by Step, a Pitchfork tool, a technical analysis. Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a position trader that wants to use the Pitchfork tool step by step? All right. Today I want to share with traders how one can use the Pitchfork tool step by step. All right. So for traders who already know how to use to draw the Pitchfork tool, we need 3 points to draw the Pitchfork tool. So here we are. We see the price start going up from here. It went up to this point, and then it pulled back here, and then start changing direction. With those 3 points, first point, second point, third point, we draw the Pitchfork tool. Now you may be wondering, say, George, I'm getting tired of the Pitchfork tool. And I will say to you, do not get tired, because the Pitchfork tool is the most neglected technical tool. Ordinary traders do not bother to use the Pitchfork tool. Traders that focus on technical indicators do not bother to use the Pitchfork tool. But as one is advancing as a technical trader, one will realize something that is very important, that the only way to fool a trader is to direct that trader to trade something else that is not the price itself or the price action. So you may be trading MACD, RSI, or the stochastic, but the number one technical indicator is the price action. By using the Pitchfork tool, one will start focusing on the price action, looking for trading setup or high probability trading setup on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. So as I told traders before, today I'll be following us at Day Pro Traders. Price goes up from point A to B and then pull back to point C. And if it starts changing direction at point C, we have a valid reason to draw a Pitchfork tool. So we can use this Pitchfork tool step by step. Price goes up from A to B and then pull back, start changing direction at point C. We have a valid reason to draw the Pitchfork tool. First point, second point, third point. Is it changing direction at point C? If yes, we can draw the Pitchfork tool. Yes, it went up, goes up to this point, pull back to point C, start changing direction. Well, we will draw the Pitchfork tool. Why? Because the Pitchfork tool will allow us to determine, or to predict or to forecast the possible path that the price is likely, to take. But as a technical trader, we want to look for trading setup on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. So now you see with those 3 points, we draw a Pitchfork tool. So once we draw it, it starts changing direction here. We will be looking for trading setup. See here, there was one here on the edge of that Pitchfork tool. Boom, common setup is kaput. We use a top-down trading method. People sold it down on the edge of the lower part of the Pitchfork tool. So we have a bearish trading setup here. Here it is. Even we can use this for scalping. Do you know we can use this for scalping? We can use combine the Pitchfork tool with CCI, RSI. So if you are ordinary trader that is using stochastic, MACD, RSI, all right, or CCI, you can use the Pitchfork tool in conjunction with those technical indicators. So you'll be looking for divergences, all right, bullish signal using those technical indicators that are giving us a clear-cut signal or trading setup on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. All right, here it is. All right, so here it is. Okay, so there was a trading setup here for day trading and swing trading, even for scalping. Common sense kaput. Come down to the lower part, we have another trading setup on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. If we buy here, The midpoint target is the median line. The ultimate target is the top of the pitchfork tool. Why? Because we are expecting the price to stay within a boundary of our first pitchfork tool. Because the price did not change direction, but it continued to break above, continue to go up, going above that pitchfork tool, because it did not change direction, we can now use market geometry by projecting the width of that first pitchfork tool in the direction of the price by measuring the width of the pitchfork tool, all right, and projecting that width in the direction of the price and drawing a line that is parallel to the pitchfork tool. So this is the width of our first pitchfork tool. Price breaks above it without changing direction. If it did change direction, we use another pitchfork tool. We project it, okay, in the direction of the price, and we draw another line that is parallel. Look, on the edge of the projection of that first pitchfork tool. See here? So here we have again another trading setup on the edge of the projected pitchfork tool. Alright? But as I told traders, normally if the price did change direction, so it was going up first, if it start going down, we have another 3 point, we can draw another new pitchfork tool. But sometimes, even if the price did not change direction, as you see here, it did not change direction, still continue to go up, we can draw another pitchfork tool. This is about step by step, a pitchfork tool trading, which means the price did not change direction, is going up, but instead of using the same pitchfork tool or the projection of our original pitchfork tool, we will draw a new pitchfork tool. So this time we will say that, see now it went above our first pitchfork tool, we'll say that it went up from point A, now we have a new point B. Why? Because it goes above the previous pitchfork tool without changing direction. And now it did pull back here. We have a new point C. Now it starts changing direction at a new point C. We can draw a new pitchfork tool. This is about step by step. Okay, pitchfork tool trading when the price is not changing direction, but it's going up in the direction of the previous pitchfork tool. So now I have a new pitchfork tool that I'm going to color now into red. So here we have first point, second point, third point. So we are now concentrating our red pitchfork tool, looking for what? Trading setup on the edge of our new pitchfork tool. Here it is. Again, are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Do you think that by using a pitchfork tool step by step like this will help you to pinpoint, okay, the best trading setup? So there's one here. Let's slow it down. Okay. It's coming down from the top of the red pitchfork tool. Our target will be the lower part of the pitchfork tool. If it come out of it, as you can see here, break below it, well, measure the width of that new red pitchfork tool. Okay, see, as we did before for the brown, now we project it below the red pitchfork tool. Okay, and then we draw another line that is parallel. Is it parallel? Okay, to our red pitchfork tool. Good. So this is the projection of our red pitchfork tool. Now my apology trader, I don't want to remove the brown pitchfork tool which I draw first. I could remove it, but I leave it there because you can see that the price was retesting also that previous pitchfork tool on the edge. So let's remove it now, though we may leave it there. I want to remove it now. So you see here, as it break below the red pitchfork tool, so we have a new so the first pitchfork tool, we leave it alone, and now we have a new pitchfork tool, and we project in the direction of okay, the projected pitchfork tool. Now we have a new media line for our new projected channel that is below the original pitchfork tool. You see here, you saw it here, target lower part of the pitchfork tool, but it break below it. Now look, it stopped on the edge of the media line of the second channel below that pitchfork tool. You see, can you see here? trading setup. All right, are you a day trader? Are you a technical trader? Trading setup on the edge or the media line of our projected red channel. See here? On the edge, on the edge, on the edge. So now I start going up from here. Normally, our target will be the edge of the lower part of the first Pitchfork tool. So if it's by here, your first target is near the edge of the lower part of the first Pitchfork tool. If you go inside that right channel, our second target is the media line of that, you see here, media line of that first Pitchfork tool. If it goes above that media line, our target will be the top of our first Pitchfork tool. Can you see? See how professional trading? You see here? Now if you sell here, your target will be the media line of that Pitchfork tool. So you hit the top and fall back here. Again, you see? So it goes above the first Pitchfork tool. Well, before you see, I'm moving my line a bit, okay. So first it went below it, we project it down, now it goes above it, we can project it up. But because we are talking about step-by-step Pitchfork tool trading, we may draw a new Pitchfork tool. Because it's going up again, it did not change direction. We can draw a new Pitchfork tool. This is about step-by-step Pitchfork tool trading. So now we have the projection of our first Pitchfork tool, but not below it, but above it, because the price now finally breaks above it. And again, we will draw the media line of that channel, and we will be looking for trading setup either near the media line or the top. So here you see break above our original first red Pitchfork tool. If you have buy, see here, it breaks above, see here. Yeah, it breaks above. And where is it going? The media line of the third red channel, which is above our original Pitchfork tool. So here it is the media line. See again the media line, our third channel here. Start coming down, pay attention to the line below. Boom, 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 boom. Isn't it amazing? So you may, now if you see this now, it makes sense that the Pitchfork tool is a powerful technical tool that traders are neglecting. So if you are swing trader, let me say this again. You say, George, you repeat yourself too much. You repeat yourself too much, George. Or allow me to say that again one more time. If you are swing trader, fall in love with the Pitchfork tool. You are allowed to fall in love with the Pitchfork tool if you are married, even if you are a married person. Confess that to your wife or to your partner. All right. You see here? On the edge. Because we have a new higher high. Okay, so now we have a new high high. Okay. Again, talking about step-by-step Pitchfork tool trading, we can draw now a new Pitchfork tool. How do we draw that? Hold on a second, my friend. So again, to draw a new Pitchfork tool, all we need is 3 points. So we can say that, all right, George, this is the point A for that price action. It went up from here. Let's say brace above it, display new high. This is point B now. It crashed down all the way here. So this is our new point C. Why is it point C? Because it starts changing direction here. So we have another valid reason to draw another Pitchfork tool because of first, second, and third point. Here it comes, the third Pitchfork tool. Step by step. Pitchfork tool trading, which is what we call advanced trading. Here it comes. Don't worry, I'll color it in a different color soon. And you will see it on your chart, okay? Oops. Hold on, please, traders. Color it now into pink. You cannot miss it. So because I have too many lines, for the first time in my life, I will remove my previous line. Are you getting it now? Are we all in agreement? Oops. I'm trying to remove the red lines. And now we have a new pitchfork tool, can you see? So we have point A, a new point A, the old point a new point B, a new point C. Again, what are we looking for? We want to train on the edge of our new pitchfork tool. Look, from here, see going up, your target will be the median line. If you continue to go up, breaks above it. So here it is. Breaks above, retest. Is this a bullish trading setup? Yes, it is. What do you need to do? Will you buy straight away? No. Use a top-down trading method. If you buy here, what will be your target? Right here. If you hit this level, we'll be looking for a trading setup again on the edge of the pink pitchfork tool. Here again, you can see many, you see, gorgeous multiple. Okay, step by step. Okay, common setup is couple. We have a what? A very trading setup. Why? Because we are expecting the price to stay within a boundary of the pink of the pink pitchfork tool. It's coming down. Where is your target? Here. If you find a support, which means common center line is kaput, you start changing direction, you have what? A bullish trading setup. If you buy here, what is your target? Top. You will be aware, which I say to traders, we can also divide each half of the pitchfork tool into two. The pitchfork tool has two halves. Am I speaking with my American accent? So by here, your target is the top. You will be aware of the median line of the upper half. This is the upper half of our pink pitchfork tool. This is the lower half of the pink pitchfork tool. So we divide the upper half into two. You buy here. Though your ultimate target is the top, you are also aware of the median line. Look, you find a resistance there. What's that? What's that, my friend? No, the bearish is set up on the median line of the upper half of the pitchfork tool. What will be your target? Right here, near the real median line of the pitchfork tool. Again here. Common center is kaput. This is step by step. All right. Pitchfork tool technical analysis. Again here, bullish trend. In fact, it breaks above it and it tests it here. You buy here. Be aware of the median line of the upper half of the pink pitchfork tool by your ultimate target as well. Right here on the edge. Did people take profit here? Yes, they did take some profit here. Are you getting it now? If it breaks above the pink pitchfork tool, well, because it did not change direction, you can measure the width of the pink pitchfork tool, project it above it, and draw a line that is parallel to that, pink pitchfork tool. And you will also pay attention to the median line or the projection of that, pink pitchfork tool, something like that. So we have a new pink channel above by using market geometry, measuring the width of that pink pitchfork tool and projecting in the direction of the price because it breaks above it. Well, if you buy here, so here, this is a beautiful trade again, you can see, breaks above and retest. That's what the price doing all the time. From here, after this candlestick bar is closed, must close. You implement a top-down tomato and buy. You buy here, your target is the median line of the projected pink channel. Are you getting it now? You sell here. Why should you sell? Because the common center is kaput. Where is it going? Your target is here. Amazing. Can you see that? So do you think that you can use the Pitchfork tool step by step to improve your technical analysis? I think so. If you disagree, let us know so we can all ask you to leave the room straight away. Again, top-down trading method, using different time frame trading method. You buy here, what will be your target? Right here again. What's happening in this financial market? Pitchfork tool, most neglected technical tool, is powerful tool, yes or no? Common sense and kaput. See here, very below, try to retest. Top-down trading method, your target is what? Here. But that currency bar crashed through it. So if it crashed through it, close below it, so you'll be watching because it crashed through it. This one did not close on the edge. Well, you'll be expecting it here. If you break below this one, you'll be expecting the target here. Blah, 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 finally here. If you buy here, where do you expect it? Here. You also pay attention to the median line of the upper half of the Pitchfork tool. But now, because we are talking about step-by-step Pitchfork tool trading, we have a new high. Do you see that? It's a new high now here. Okay, new higher high. Price did not change direction. Therefore, we can draw another Pitchfork tool. Price did not change direction. Repeat, we can draw another Pitchfork tool. Apart from the market geometry, we can draw another Pitchfork tool because the price did not change direction. All right, traders, you get it now? Are you getting it now? Do you find this video useful? Okay, good. Let us know. I like traders to let us know. I like that, okay? Doesn't matter for me. If you dislike it, let us know. Mark it down, okay? We are still friends, even if you mark it down. So at this junction, we can say price goes up from here all the way up here, you see. Or we may say instead, because it form a higher high, we can put it here. So for A, B, C. Is it changing direction at point C? If yes, then we have a valid reason to draw another Pitchfork tool, talking about step by step. Pitchfork tool trading. Do you accept that one can use this strategy to cream the market consistently on the edge of the Pitchfork tool? So now we have another Pitchfork tool, which I'm going to color now into orange. So what do we need? So A, B, C. That's what we are looking for. All right, we want to trade on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. So if we start going up from here, where is the target? On the edge of the median line. See, people did take profit. See, hit first time here, they took some profit, hit it again, they took profit. All right. Now it breaks above it and retest it here. The tail of the scale here. So if you buy here using a different time frame trading method, your target is where? Now you know it. You know what I'm going to do. I will say top of the orange channel on an orange a Pitchfork tool. But we are also aware of the median line of the upper half of that orange Pitchfork tool. So though our target here it is. If you sell here, as people did sell, why should they sell? By common sense is kaput. That's the reason why they are selling. Here is maybe it tests. If you sell here, where is the target? Well, my friend, that's where we are now. Powerful stuff, isn't it? Powerful stuff. Whether you are scalping, day trading, whether you want to become an advanced trader, whether you want to become more efficient technical trader, use the Pitchfork tool step by step. That's where we are now. If you buy here, so when can we buy here? If the common straight line is kaput. If you break below that orange line, well, what will be our bearish target? Right here. Though our bearish target is here, we'll also pay attention to the median line of the lower half of our orange Pitchfork tool. Have I brainwashed you today to start using the Pitchfork tool step by step? If your answer is yes, well then I will consider this as a successful, a tutorial. As always, my friend, if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. I am the only YouTuber that reads all comments in the comment section. So put it there, I read it. I may not answer to it straight away. I may give you thumbs up. Do you see in the comment section? I give thumbs up for comment. So if I like the comment, thumbs up. All right. And if I love it, I will highlight the heart. You see the sign of the heart that you two put there, heart, which means heart. Love it, love it, love it. All right. So this is a lovely comment, lovely feedback. So this also will help you because I'm saying, oh, you see this person put excellent comment. So you are rating a video or you are putting comment. I'm also rating your comment, marking it up, loving it, all right. Sometimes I do mark some comment down if I think that the comment is out of place, but I don't do it very often. Sometimes I may just keep quiet, not say anything. Sometimes I may reply to the comment. I try my best. Sometimes I may not reply straight away because I'm busy with other things. But few weeks later or months later, here George is answering or commenting on your comments. So we keep the comment going. As we see now, beautiful, isn't it? So this will conclude our discussion today about a step-by-step, a Pitchfork tool, a technical analysis. So here it comes. If you like the video, please, my friend, please give us the thumbs up. You dislike it, please mark it down. All right? You found it amazing. You say, George, well. Today you have improved a lot, George. Your recording is excellent. Feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. So this will conclude this discussion today about a step-by-step Pitchfork tool technical analysis. Until the next time, my friend, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about step-by-step Pitchfork tool technical analysis. I will be recording more videos about advanced trading using Pitchfork tool, market geometry, and predictive fractal pattern. All right, so stay tuned. If you are not yet a subscriber, well, feel free to subscribe. It's free. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.